we got ourselves another microphone to test out, and that is the NearStream streaming microphone. So we're gonna do a little unboxing here, as well as sound test and review, so stay tuned. So one of the cool things about this microphone, besides the fact that it comes with its own boom arm, supposedly there is AI noise canceling, as we can see right here. So I'm excited to test that out. All right, y'all, so here we got the microphone. We'll open it up, and inside we have got instructions for installing the boom arm. Got the user manual right here, warranty card, desk mount. We got the USB cable here. And here we've got the microphone itself. And let me just tell you, my first impressions are that it looks good. This thing looks clean. It is very, very light. This is what the mic looks like without the little foam filter here. Lastly, we got the boom arm itself. Alrighty, so this is everything we get in the box. Now, my overall experience setting up the microphone. For those who've never had a boom arm before, you don't want to have to buy an extra thing. I think this is a good option. Constructive criticism here would be, it would be good if there was a way to run the microphone wire up through the arm and have it hidden. But other than that, it's a pretty functional boom arm, and it's actually pretty mobile. But my overall impressions of the microphone itself, so I like how it looks. I love the foam cover. I like the square body. I like the little light on the top. I like how the volume knob looks. I actually do like also the logo, how that looks. And it's pretty cool that you can also plug in an XLR or USB. Cyan is noise cancellation off, and blue is noise cancellation on. All right, so this is the raw audio straight from the microphone as soon as we plug it in via USB-C into the laptop. And yeah, how does it sound? This is with no editing whatsoever. All right, so now we have the AI noise cancellation feature turned on the microphone. I think this can potentially be a super big game changer because I mean, it's AI noise cancellation by the click of a button. So what more can you ask for, right? So hopefully it sounds pretty good. All right, last but not least, we got the Audacity edited version of the audio. So this is just pretty much raw audio without the AI noise cancellation, except for we're doing a little post-processing in Audacity. Alrighty, so what are my final thoughts on the NearStream microphone? I think it's pretty darn amazing. I mean, I really thought the AI noise cancellation was going to be kind of a gimmick, but it works pretty darn good, and at some times works better than the Audacity noise reduction. So I can definitely see one of those lazy days where I don't want to edit my audio. Just using that noise cancellation feature is kind of a game changer. I definitely highly recommend this microphone, especially for this price, and especially if you like the square body style. I definitely do. So yeah, overall very happy with this. You can't really go wrong for this price point. Game changer.